Today, we're baking super quick oatmeal cookies with chocolate chunks, the perfect snack for any time of day. This recipe is so simple and fast that you can have these delicious cookies ready in just 30 minutes. First, the key ingredient, oats. Make sure to use regular rolled oats, not instant or extra fine ones, or you'll lose that perfect texture. I add all-purpose flour followed by sugar, baking powder, butter, and eggs. Take the butter out of the fridge ahead of time. Cold butter will make mixing a nightmare. Now, mix everything together until you get a sticky dough. To make these cookies even better, I'm adding my favorite chocolate chunks. You can use dark, milk, or even white chocolate. It's totally up to you. Give it one final mix and the dough is ready. Now, onto the baking tray. You can scoop the dough straight onto parchment paper and flatten it slightly, or if you want perfectly round cookies, use a cookie cutter or mold. Now, into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Just enough time for them to turn golden brown and perfectly crispy. And just like that, they're done. Make these cookies and tell me in the comments how they turned out. If you enjoyed the video, support me by hitting the thumbs up and see you next time.